Hi guys, it's Pigs. Welcome to Cooking with Pigs. Today we're going to be making French toast. Now before we get started, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get weekly video updates and see more of me, obviously. If you want this recipe, it will be in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so before we start anything, make sure you turn your griddle on 350 degrees. Now, in our bowl, we have cinnamon, nutmeg, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. And I'll put these measurements down below, so make sure you go check that out. So as I'm stirring this egg batter, on the side I have Texas toast. Now, with this recipe, you could use something as simple as sandwich bread is just perfectly fine. Now I'm going to be pouring my egg batter into something I can dip my bread in. This is what it should look like when you're done mixing. Now for buttering your griddle, skillet, or whatever you're using, I like to use margarine because margarine doesn't burn as quickly as butter. Or you can even use cooking spray, that's completely fine. So as I'm coating my skillet with margarine, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like using margarine instead of butter. So now I'm just going to be dipping my bread in, both sides, and I'm just going to let the excess drip off. And once that excess batter is done dripping off, immediately sit it on your pan. Once you sit your toast on the pan, you should immediately start to hear a sizzle. Oh my goodness guys, it is so hard to edit this. I'm over here thinking about French toast while I'm trying to explain to y'all what I'm doing. This smells so good and my stomach is literally growling. Now, when you're cooking your French toast, it only takes about 1 minute on each side for it to cook. I'm going to be flipping this French toast and I immediately put butter on it. The butter will give it a nice fluffiness and it gives it that buttery flavor on the inside. This recipe is crispy on the outside and nice and fluffy on the inside. Well, now it's ready, so I'm going to be taking it off and putting it on a plate. Guys, I paired this with some eggs, and my sister Big T made some not French toast. I made the French toast. My sister Big T made the bacon. Shout out to Big T. This looks amazing. Guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell to get more weekly videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Okay. If you want this recipe, look in the description box.
Come on. I'm gonna put your bloopers in there.
Bloopers! Blooper reel! Okay. You're welcome, audience. Okay.
If you want this recipe.
Okay. I forget my lines, guys. Okay. If you want this recipe, look in the description. Got it. Now, if you want this recipe, my tongue's dry. I need water, quick.
I'm parched. Okay, go on.
Okay. Now. Okay, I got this. Okay. Is this even recording? Okay, it is recording. Okay. Okay. Now, if you want this recipe, look in the description box below. I forgot the rest of my life. Okay, I got it. If you want this recipe, it'll be in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's get started.